It is our pleasure to introduce for the first time to the Nigerian market a complete and superbly functioning Garri processing line, which consists of cassava peeler, cassava grater, cassava presser, cassava fryer, and a mill to grind the often resulting cluster of Garri, locally called cocoa Garri. The first stage in Garri processing begins from the peeling stage with the use of cassava peeler. The peeler is capable of peeling the outer brown layer and the whitish inner layer. The speed of this machine is capable of peeling 80 to 120 kilogram cassava tubers at once within 4 minutes. Once the machine starts working, water is let into it to wash away the peeled materials coming out from the rear. The peeler comprises of other capacities ranging from 120 kilograms to 180 kilograms and 180 kilograms to 250 kilograms. Once finished, the opening lever is opened, as you can see, releasing the peeled tubers into the sorting area where finishing touches will be done. The cassava peeling machine has a dual advantage. It can peel 2 tons of cassava in 1 hour, which in conventional can take up to 10 hours with 20 women. It reduces labor and waste. The next stage is grating. This is done by the grating machine. The grater has adjustable sieves that determine the level of grating. The grater takes many tubers at a time and releases smooth grated cassava from the opening in front. After grating the cassava will be bagged and left for 2 to 3 days for fermentation, depending on individuals. After the 3rd day, the next stage is dewatering. Here, the hydraulic press machine is engaged. The machine is manually operated. The water press machine has many rings that accommodates the bagged cassava as demonstrated. It acts as guard to limit the expansion of the bags and save it from bursting as the hydraulic press is engaged. This machine takes 20 minutes for total dewatering of the grated cassava. The dewatered cassava comes out dry and smooth, ready for sieving and frying. The next stage is the frying stage. The flat bottom frying oven is used at this stage. The machine does not require the services of so many people to operate. The flat bottom frying oven ensures even frying without being burnt. The frying oven uses coal or firewood. The dewatered cassava goes into the fryer once the heat gets to the right level in the gauge. The temperature has to be maintained for constant heat throughout the time of the operation. The frying oven process is highly hygienic, void of any health hazards associated with conventional frying, which includes burnt fingers, carbon emission and inhaling, sore eyes due to excessive heat exposure. The finished Garri comes out of the frying once the opening lid is opened. Next is sieving of the Garri. CAPSFEED's sieving machine is faster and separates the smooth Garri from the coursed ones. The use of hammer mill is adopted to grind the coursed Garri or cocoa into smooth ones called lebu. These fine equipment involved in the Garri production process are made for optimal performance, durable and highly efficient. We sincerely hope that this effort by our company would translate to the immediate improved processing of cassava. CAPSFEED Limited does on-site training aside installation of these equipments. Further information, please visit our office at Olaogun Bus Stop, Old Ife Road, Ibadan, Nigeria, or call 0803 350 6514, 0803 324 4318, and 0815 096 5928, or visit our website www.capsfeed.com.